Mega Science Expo 2014. So on this special occasion, I welcome Honorable Chief Guest, Royal Group of Colleges Chairman, Mr. Janardhan Reddy Garu and Srinivas Garu, and Loyola Publication, Mr. Rangareddy Garu, and below our principal sir. Please come on to the I request Senior Sir and Sajia Madam, please present a bouquet. Now I request Loyola Publications, Sri Rangareddy Garu and our beloved Chairman Sir, please come on to the dais and grace the stage. Now I request Nazrin present a bouquet to our chief guest and our Srinivas Rangareddy Garu. Thank you. Welcome speech by our HM sir.
Respected Chief Guest Janardhan Reddy sir, respected guest Srinivas Reddy sir, respected Rangareddy sir, and respected our correspondent sir, respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. It's a very good occasion what we celebrate on the success of our Mega Science Expo 2014. The theoretical knowledge within the classroom is totally different from the practical knowledge. If you see once, really I felt that there are some of the scientists among you like C.V. Raman, Sir Isaac Newton, Jagadish Chandra Bose. When we have the proper observation regarding the theoretical subjects and what we observe around us, if we question ourselves, actually what is it, why it is it, how it is it, automatically we have some new thoughts regarding this and then we can try the further. Approximately 1,000 students are participated in this Mega Science Fair. They prepared around 200 exhibits, working model and non-working models. Among them some are the biological, some are physical science, some are chemical based and some are general themes also. In this mega success, the teachers also involved. Definitely we get some ideas regarding this one. First example is Sir Isaac Newton. You know the story of Isaac Newton. When he observed the falling of the fruits from a tree, suppose simply he thought that it is natural, there is no question of gravitational force. But he questioned himself, why it is falling towards the earth only, why it is not towards the sky. So the observation is very important in the case of the science. Whenever we have the practical knowledge, that may be applicable in our day-to-day life. And especially thanks to our respected Chief Guest Sir, Rangareddy Sir and Srinivas Reddy Sir to participate in this great program and to give a good suggestion to our students. And especially our students believe that they proved that we are not only active in the case of the science mega program, but also we are very capable, very entertaining the cultural program. Keep it up, students. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Science Expo 2014 has come to an extraordinary end. So, in this regard, I request our chief guest, Royal Group of Colleges, Sri Janardhan Reddy Garu, please say a few words.
Good evening, all of you. Respected correspondent and founder member of Sri Sai Ram Group of High Schools, Sri Venkateswara Garu, one of my best friend, and all other dignitaries on the dais, all respected teachers, and HM sir, Srimad sir, and all other teachers. This is the excellent mega event, I would like to say. So, yesterday I have seen some objects exhibited by the students. So, simply I can say two words, marvelous and fantastic. I can't say in words because Your Excellency, small children representing from lower sections and upper primary sections, high school sections, extraordinary explanation part I have seen yesterday. On this occasion, I especially congratulate all the efforts made by excellent teachers, science teachers, particularly biology, physical science teachers. See, I was very much impressed with the biology teachers. Some majority of project works I have seen regarding the functioning of heart, respiratory system, heart and other systems, how they explained. The fantastic, marvelous that I would like to see the students going to become doctors. One girl explained about the functioning of heart system. A simple question I asked her, what do you want to become? She said, I would like to become engineer, sir. So, practical knowledge always improves your excellency. Particularly physical science teachers also, physics. There are some objects what I have seen, they are very much useful for present scenario. Saving of energy exhibited and the power generation, how to save your water, how to use wastewater for domestic purposes and agriculture purpose. Because today, India is one of the biggest country in the world. We are very proud of our population because we stand as second place in the world as far as population is concerned. Our population is touching around crossing 130 crores, which is almost equal to China. By 2020 to 30, our population going to become 150 crores. We are going to cross China population. But at this juncture, whatever the exhibits regarding environmental subjects, water preservation, conventional energies, how to generate, because energy is the important one. Without power, you cannot go forward. Today, science and technology, these are the two eyes of any economy. Without science, there is no future. Without technology, there is no life at all. These two concepts have been excellently exhibited by all the students by selecting different objects. Once again, science is a systematized body of knowledge where you can prove. Take Newton's law of any scientific law. Law of gravitation, if you throw any object in the sky, ultimately it reaches Earth. That is a scientific law, you can prove. Technology is a refinement of knowledge. Science is a systematized body of knowledge. Technology is a research, a refinement of the existing knowledge. Therefore, without science and technology, there is no future. So this kind of Science Expo 2014, these kind of programs always will give you a lot of encouragement to the students and a lot of credibility to the institutions also. Wish you all the best, all the children who performed extraordinary. Unfortunately, in India, most of the school education have become just by heart system, practice, no practice, only theoretical education. But this time I am getting some very close example. This is Sai Ram High School conducting science exhibition. This is an important festival to students. It is a lightening of lamp to the students. See, in Western countries, students will have more practical knowledge, less theoretical knowledge. Though we are becoming postgraduates, if you go to any interview, we are not responding properly. Lakhs of engineering students on roads. Why? There is a defect in our educational system. Number of engineering students are roads because they don't have any practical knowledge. They are unable to compete with the other world. These kind of science exhibitions definitely will give you strong foundation for your bright future. So you must appreciate the school management and all your faculty members who supported this excellent program. And this is a closing ceremony, and all the management and the teachers selected some students who had exhibited excellent performances, and they are going to receive your awards. And thanks for inviting me for this closing ceremony of Science Expo 2014. I would like to see many more programs like this should be conducted by the school management. Thank you, one and all.
Evokes the hidden talents of the children. Really, if we compare from the 10 years, those children just they listen what the teacher taught. One point recently, that when the social teacher teaches that lesson, one boy, he asked one doubt. That is, in those days, in the textbook, the same print is now also being continued. Ashoka planted trees. That one sentence, if you see in that 5th and 6th class also. Ashoka planted trees. One boy got up and asked the doubt. Sir, how it is possible to plant a tree? Ashoka planted plants. అశోకుడు చెట్లు నాటించనేది ఉంటుంది మీ తెలుగు మీడియంలో అయితే. సార్ చెట్లు ఎలా సార్ నాటిస్తాడు అంటే అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ డౌట్ వచ్చింది. నిజమే కదా, అప్పట్లో మొక్కలు వేసాడు, తర్వాత చెట్లు అయ్యాడు. ఇట్లా nowadays these children, their knowledge gradually for this new generation, these science fairs are very useful. So ఇట్లా చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతే చాలా ఉంటుంటాయి. నౌ ఇంకా మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేసిన వాటిలో పైన ఉన్నటువంటి హైడ్రాలిక్ హార్ట్, ఇంకా హౌ ద సాయిల్స్, డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ సాయిల్, వితౌట్ సాయిల్ ఆల్సో హౌ ద ప్లాంట్స్ గ్రో. ఇట్లా చాలా చిల్డ్రన్ అందరూ కూడా చాలా బాగా చేశారు. ఇంకా ముఖ్యంగా తీసుకుంటే బాగా మీరు ఆలోచించినట్లయితే పేరెంట్స్ కూడా ఇప్పుడు బాగా కోఆపరేట్ చేయగలిగి ఉండాలి. దిస్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ కాంప్లెక్స్ అండ్ ద టీచర్స్ ఆల్సో, అండ్ దే మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ పేషెన్స్. ఒకప్పుడు పేషెన్స్ లేక ఉండేవాళ్ళు. పిల్లలు అడిగే డౌట్లకి పేరెంట్స్ ఎట్లా చెప్పేవాళ్ళంటే, అరే డాడీ అంత పెద్ద రాకెట్ ఉంది కదా, దానికి ఎట్లా కలర్ వేస్తారు, అంత పెద్ద పెయింట్ వేయాలంటే ఎట్లా అవుతుంది అంటే, ఏం లేదురా మీదకి లేక చిన్నది అయిపోతుంది కదా అప్పుడు వేసేస్తారా అని చెప్పాడు. అందువల్ల దానికి పేషెన్స్గా వాళ్ళకి ఓర్పుతో ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నటువంటి మా టీచర్లు, పేరెంట్స్ అందరూ కూడా కోఆపరేషన్తో చాలా బాగున్నారు. నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు